In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to automatically create multiple car catalog designs from a single car catalog template and a single data file using data merge in Adobe InDesign. Step 1. Prepare your Excel data and TXT file or CSV file. Start by organizing your data in Excel sheets or Google Sheets. Make sure the first row contains field names, such as brand, model, type, price, year of reg, registration, mileage, engine size, color, fuel type, and images. For images, field name must be @images. For images, use the full file path, such as /pic/p1.jpg. Once your data is ready, save the file in TXT tab delimited text format or CSV, comma delimited format. Step 2. Create your design in InDesign. Open Adobe InDesign and create a new document. Design a single layout that will serve as your template. Add an image frame and text boxes for brand, model, type, price, year of reg, registration, mileage, engine size, color, fuel type. Before you proceed, make sure to keep your Excel file, TXT file, or CSV file, InDesign document, and all image files in the same folder. This helps avoid missing links and ensures that everything works smoothly during the data merge process. Step 3. Open the Data Merge panel. Go to the top menu, click Window, then Utilities, and select Data Merge. This will open the Data Merge panel. Step 4. Import your data source. Click the panel menu and choose Select Data Source. Select your TXT file or CSV file. You should now see all of your field names listed in the panel. Step 5. Add the data field. Click inside a text box where you want to put the data. Then click on the field name from the panel, such as brand, model, type, price, year of reg, registration, mileage, engine size, color, fuel type, and images. For images, first select the image frame, then click the Image field. Step 6. Preview your data. Turn on the Preview option in the Data Merge panel. Check that everything looks right. Make sure the images are visible and the text is positioned correctly. Step 7. Use the single record layout. Click the panel menu and choose Create Merged Document. Select Single Records from the options. Step 8. Create the merged document. Click OK. InDesign will automatically create a new document with all your data. Step 9. Export your final file. Go to File, then Export. Choose the PDF format and export your document. Your catalog design is now ready to print or share. Here's how you can save time and automate repetitive design tasks using Data Merge in Adobe InDesign.